Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. All right, so you guys have seen me work with the ETENWOLF brand, and this is the, I think this is the Zephyr, S5. So guys, I'm working on my stuff. I've got a 0-turn mower, and I wanted to show you and let you guys know that I had, I've got some acreage and whatnot, and I've got to work on some things. I had left this thing out in the rain, and this is fully electronic battery. So what I want to show you guys is that it still works. Okay, it's blinking because of the flicker, right? But let's go mode here. We're going to go mode of a basketball, 10 psi, because on my 0-turn, these things like to mess up. These tires are old. I need to get some new tires. But again, it's kind of like an old school tractor. You just gotta have to work on it. Look at that. This thing runs like it's sand. Let me show y'all. And it's pretty dang awesome. And I'm gonna stop it, and if I wanted to go a little bit more, like let's say I wanted to go just a little bit faster, but I want to edit the PSI on this. Like I said, I want to go to 10 pounds on this, because that's what that says. It'll crank it right up to 10 pounds. In a heartbeat. There you go. And there you go. It cranked it right up in a heartbeat. So I'm going to undo that. Perfect. Now let's go to this other side. This other side doesn't leak as bad. So let's show you. And again, this is a used one. Used, rebuilt, little Hustler Z. Got it for about $3 grand. It's got a Kawasaki engine on it. Let me see if I can get in here. Sometimes these things can be rough. All right. And it just levels right off at that top. There we go. There we go. Guys, again, left this out in the rain and just honestly forgot about it for a little bit. This thing is just absolutely incredible. This thing has a 1-year warranty on it. I can definitely see why. This thing has like 1600 milliamp battery. This thing has, I don't think I've charged it. I may have charged this thing one time. Been left in my car, and it's been really cold, whatnot, before. It's been left out in the rain, and this thing is just awesome. Just genuinely. Has flashlight, so if you're in the dark, like these lights, you can't see it now, but these lights will come on. I mean, it's just daggum awesome. Let me turn these lights off. But yeah, these ETENWOLF products, best bang for your buck. I'm gonna put the affiliate link, the Amazon link down. I do get some cheese, so they sent this to me. Guys, I sure appreciate it. Let's see if we can how much abuse this thing will take. So I'm not gonna charge it, and we're gonna run it. I've run it several times on these. I'm just gonna keep it in my car, and we're just gonna find out. Guys, thank you so much. This is T-Carp, signing out.